Yesterday, I requested wood chips from getchipdrop.com, and today, 20 cubic yards were delivered. Wanted to share with you a few things that I learned from this experience of ordering from ChipDrop. Number one, it's a lot of wood chips. So if you are not planning for around 20 cubic yards of wood chips, then maybe you should find another source. Number two, the quality of the wood chips can be pretty much anything as far as texture goes. This is quite finely ground, but right next to it, it's much more coarse. So it's really whatever the arborist company brings you. You don't have much of a choice. You do, however, have the option of specifying what you might not want them to use for their wood chips. For example, I do not want black walnut, so I specified that I do not want black walnut wood chips. But other than that, you don't have much of a choice. You can also get logs from these companies. You can specify that some portion of it or all of it can be logs, but just be aware that it's not going to be firewood size logs. It's whatever size logs they have. If they've been chopping down redwood trees, you could get some really, really large logs. You can also specify where you want them to drop it off. We were actually able to upload a photograph of this spot in front of our house rather than have them dump it in our driveway. They were able to dump it over here, and they did a good job of that. And finally, you can't really specify any time frame that they can deliver the wood chips in. It's whenever they want to, whenever they're available. Be flexible about the time frame. It can come the very next day or even the same day, or it could come 6 weeks later. So yeah, your plans had better be super flexible. But wood chips are one of the very, very best things you can put in your garden, both as mulch as well as protection for bare spots in your garden, and it'll decompose into wonderful soil.